Today, I'm going to be talking to you about a coming crisis from the results of all humans creating temporary simplicity in our lives, yet causing the thing that'll doom it. Yes, I am referring to climate change, but more specifically CO2 emissions. First, I'd like to explain how global warming happens. Greenhouse gases like CO2 and methane absorb infrared energy and re emit them in all directions, including down. In summary, the infrared energy comes in, hits the ground, and rebounds supposedly into space if it weren't for the interference of these gases. There are a lot of issues that are the effect of climate change, a few of them including sea level rise, overheating, breathing, and lack of produce. According to www.delawareonline.com, state officials had previously estimated that 8 to 11% of Delaware's land could be underwater by 2100. I don't know about you, but I would like my state to still be in existence in a few hundred years. Imagine a world where fresh produce is hard, if not impossible to find, where financially unstable are starving, where only the rich eat 3 meals a day, world where areas around the equator become inhabitable and began to expand north and south, creating an invisible barrier separating the northern half of the world from the southern half. A constant summer worldwide, where the only focus is survival and not advancement. A world where humanity is engaged in a losing battle that will surely drive them to extinction. This may be what it looks like if we fail to stop global warming. There are a lot of tools that help slow down global warming, one of the more common ones being plants. They absorb CO2, but it's too much for them. It's like washing dishes. You wash as fast as you can, but the dirty dishes come in faster than you can wash them, creating a pile of dishes. There are a few ways to solve this problem. One, slow down the amount of dirty dishes in, or two, get more washers. In other words, stop emitting CO2 or plant more trees and find more environmentally friendly methods of everyday tasks. So, what I need you to do, what the world needs you to do, what future generations of humans and animals alike need you to do is plant trees to reduce emissions, if possible, carpool, drive an electric car. There are practically infinite possibilities to stop or slow down global warming, and everything helps. Delaware emits about 15 million metric tons of CO2 each year. If everyone just took a few actions to decrease its emissions, Delaware could get out of the hole, so to speak. As Elliot Spitzer said, the pace of global warming is accelerating, and the scale of the impact is devastating. The time for action is limited. We are approaching the tipping point beyond which the opportunity to reverse the damage of CO2 emissions will disappear. Some people say that they want what they do, or even themselves, to be remembered. Let me ask you this: how will you be remembered if there's no one there to remember you?